Welcome to Brevard Value Motors, where buying a used vehicle actually becomes a fun process. We are a no-pressure, haggle-free dealership. We understand what you want. You want peace of mind knowing your hard-earned dollars aren't being wasted on a lemon. You want to know that your family will be safe on the road. Do you have great credit? Fantastic. We have rock-bottom interest rates. Less than stellar credit? No worries. We offer in-house financing and we report to the credit bureaus so you can get back on track. We also have an ASE certified master technician ready to get you back on the road if your current vehicle just needs a tune-up. Bottom line, remember this: no one will work harder to satisfy your automotive needs than we will. See you soon.